Bob had always struggled with his weight. He remembered being teased by his classmates in elementary school and feeling like he didn't fit in with the other kids. As he grew older, the comments from others only got more hurtful, and Bob began to internalize these negative messages, coming to believe that he was inherently flawed and would never be good enough. Despite his best efforts, Bob found it difficult to lose weight and keep it off. He had tried every fad diet under the sun, from low-carb to low-fat, but nothing seemed to work for long. And so, he felt trapped in a never-ending cycle of dieting and exercise, always striving for a goal that seemed just out of reach. But this time was different. This time, Bob had decided to take a more sustainable approach to weight loss, focusing on making healthy lifestyle changes that he could maintain for the long term. He started by overhauling his diet, cutting out processed foods and sugary drinks in favor of whole, nutrient-dense meals. He also began exercising regularly, starting with short walks around his neighborhood and gradually increasing the intensity and duration as he got stronger. At first, it was hard. Bob missed the taste of his favorite junk foods, and sometimes felt like giving up when the scale didn't budge for a week or two. But he persisted, motivated by the thought of reaching his goal weight and finally feeling confident in his own skin. As the months passed, Bob began to notice changes in his body that went beyond just the number on the scale. He had more energy, his skin looked clearer, and he felt stronger and more confident with each passing day. And as he celebrated his 50-pound weight loss milestone, he knew that this was just the beginning of a new chapter in his life, one where he could finally feel good about himself, both inside and out. But Bob's journey wasn't without its challenges. There were times when he felt like giving up, when the progress was slow and the plateaus seemed endless. He had to learn how to navigate social situations without feeling like he was sacrificing his healthy lifestyle, and he sometimes struggled with feelings of guilt or shame when he did indulge in his favorite treats. Through it all, Bob learned some valuable lessons about self-care, self-love, and the importance of setting realistic goals. He realized that weight loss wasn't just about looking good, it was about feeling good, too. And as he continued on his path, he discovered a newfound confidence and sense of purpose that went beyond just losing weight. Bob also learned how to listen to his body and honor its needs. He learned how to fuel himself with nutrient-dense foods that made him feel good, rather than relying on fad diets or restrictive eating plans. And he learned how to exercise in a way that brought him joy, rather than punishing himself with grueling workouts that left him feeling drained and defeated. In the end, Bob's weight loss journey taught him that the key to success lies not in the destination, but in the journey itself. It showed him that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of patience, anything is possible, even transforming your body and mind in ways you never thought possible. And as he looked in the mirror and saw a strong, confident man staring back at him, he knew that this was just the beginning of an amazing new chapter in his life.